join the clan. He lent a helping hand with baseball games and bonfires too. Quins were a merry band. Who knows where the time goes? Who knows where the time goes? He loved the work he did with Al and took us all on tours to see the houses he helped build. He still will help with yours. At UD, he took first place, I bet they don't even know that, in engineering class. He's very bright, but never brags. He'll let those chances pass. Who knows where the time goes? Who knows where the time goes? The years brought marriage and 4 kids, soccer games in school, science projects, year-end plays, camping trips, the rural. Smith, Hinchman, and Ghaffari too have used his expertise. How lucky to receive his skills, the work he did with ease. Who knows where the time goes? Who knows where the time goes? We've all enjoyed Bob's special brand of humor. What a wit! How quickly 60 he did reach, we cannot fathom it. So now we honor our Bob Quinn. We wish you all the best. We love you and your silly grin, Eileen and all the rest. Who knows?